Wednesdays are under the influence of Mercury, the planet of communication, intellect, and travel. This celestial connection brings a unique energy to the day, making it ideal for activities related to learning, connecting with others, and exploring new horizons. To harness the power of Mercury on Wednesdays, focus on clear and effective communication. Express your thoughts and ideas with precision, whether in writing, speaking, or simply listening. Engage in intellectual pursuits such as reading, solving puzzles, or engaging in thought-provoking conversations. Embrace the curiosity and love for learning that Mercury encourages. Additionally, this day holds a special affinity for travel and exploration. So if you have the opportunity to embark on a journey, whether near or far, seize the moment. Explore new places, cultures, and perspectives. Open your mind to the wonders that await you. As you immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Mercury on Wednesdays, you'll unlock new levels of understanding, connection, and adventure.